Yeah. So, hello, Narsima sir. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I am also good. Thanks for asking. So, basically, I scheduled this interview just because to complete my assignment, and also
Okay,
I'm gonna ask you 5 to 6 questions
okay,
about your life experience and how you get up to this position.
okay.
And so, first of all, tell me something about yourself. So, what you
So
are doing right now? Yeah.
myself, Mr Reddy. So I came here for master's programming. So I finished my master's. Then I joined as a internship in HP company. So then from
Okay.
there, and I started my development career in the software industry. So then later on, I moved to a different vendors and service based company. So then
Okay.
right now I worked at different states like California. From Texas I moved to Texas, and Texas to New York, and New York to New Jersey. So
Yes.
finally I'm in New Jersey. So I
Okay.
work for AT&T, right? So
Okay.
AT&T is the client, and so vendors I have a different vendors. So I worked as a contractor, then I moved as a full time, right?
Okay. It's
So
great. Great.
then, uh, yeah, so I'm working as a software developer. Yeah,
Oh,
that's
that's
my
great.
role in my company. Yeah.
That's great. So, let's gonna start with the questions which I gonna ask you right now. So,
hmm
like the first thing is how important have teamwork and communication is been to your success?
So communication is very important. Because it depends upon the role, and it depends upon the work you are doing. So example, so what I have faced and initially, and what I improved, I'll let you know that right now.
Okay.
So initially, like when I joined in California, right? So the Bay Area,
Yeah.
how they are working, so
Yeah.
even I submitted my tickets, even I submitted my work to the company.
Mm-hmm.
So in the team calls, in the Scrum meeting, I'm not able to convey what I did. So
Oh,
because
okay.
they're born and brought up here. So I'm working with the directly US clients at that moment in the Scrum calls. So I'm not able to even understand what they are doing, and
Yeah.
whatever
It's
they are
hard for us. Yeah.
So technical skills I can understand, because the work is
Mm-hmm.
same, right, for everyone. So when I'm doing that, so I kind of improved by myself, because individually I need to communicate with the persons whoever in my
Mm-hmm.
team. For example, 10 people are there. So individually I went there, and I used to talk with them, and what they are doing on what. So try to understand each and every person, so that it improved me, like in the teams call. So teams
Okay.
call is the one-on-one, it's not like audio. So we have to go in one of the room in the big hall, and so
Mm-hmm.
we have some lobby kind of thing. So in there, like, we have to communicate each other. So the communication is very important, to communicate what you are doing, and so sharing the knowledge how you are doing, and those are the important things. Yeah.
Okay. And sir, according to you, like what are the other skills which is very important as working in a team apart
So
from communication?
yeah, so basic things you need to have as a team member is, so whatever the knowledge you have to share in the team call,
Okay.
so that they will share how much what are the things you are struggling, and what are the things stopping to continue your work. If you cannot share, they don't know where you stopped, and where
Okay.
what are the things is stopping for you, right? So you need to share it, so that you need to
Yeah.
tell that issues, what issues you have. So
So
that
like
the teams, it's
mhm.
if team members, meaning lot other people's, they may know your issue, right? So
Mhm.
even you don't know, you searched in the Google, and you searched in anywhere,
Mhm.
but you didn't find the solution, they will share the things. So that's how,
Mhm.
it will work if you share the knowledge. So that's
Yeah.
the first point. The second point is, so in the teams, in example is that I'm hosting one of the one of the meeting, right? For example, you have to give the time for each everyone to talk. Other, so even only one person will talk every time, each day I'm going to take one meeting, but he's the person only talking. So you have to talk with each and every person. right?
Mhm.
So, and listen, it's not only like status, you are giving status, right? For example, 10 people are there, you are giving, as a developer, you join in one company, you gave your status and you put the mute and you get you are doing other work. It's not going to like that, because it's teamwork, meaning you have to
Mhm.
listen what other persons also doing, so that the
Okay.
knowledge will improve, the product knowledge will improve. That is a
Input. Yeah.
very very important. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Great to hear. And the next one is like in this question, which I ask you, second one, like in
Hmm.
this question, you will resolve my problems, like you resolve like problem solving. You
Right,
tell us about the how to make the decisions
right,
as being in a team, and
right.
also we have to resolve the conflicts between the team members.
Right,
Okay.
and also like learn new things, like POC kind of thing, proof of concepts projects. Learn as much as you can in the teams,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
learn as much as in outside, and read the books. Yeah,
Yeah.
search in the Googles and everywhere. Yeah.
Okay. And another one is like, what do you wish you knew earlier in your career about teamwork and communication? So, like, what do you wish like to knew earlier if when you are just come to this like the
Right,
AT&T
right,
projects and all?
right, right. I have to improve my coding skills, very thing. So because
Okay.
coding skills is very important, and going forward, the future is going towards latest technologies, right?
Okay.
You need to habituate to learn the new technologies in this
Mhm.
main software industry in anywhere. So life
Okay.
is life is not only stick with one life, one stream or one things, right? It is
Yeah.
going forward. You need to learn the new technologies, habituate to work with the new folks, and
Mhm.
go with the flow, meaning like you need to understand what's going on in this current situation. So
Yeah.
you need to follow the LinkedIn, follow the articles and what is doing, and
Mhm.
follow the company's profiles,
Got
what
it.
they are using, and all these kind of so latest technology. You need to habituate to learn the latest technologies, to move from one company to another company. You need to learn the new things. That's
New
very
things.
important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So like the next one is like how important is trust in your work? Like how is trust the biggest factor if you are in teamwork, if you are doing any teamwork and any sort of work in any companies or anywhere?
Meaning like what? Example
The trust,
specific. Huh?
like the trust between team
uh
members.
Between team members, as I mentioned, right? Between team members, so for example, like so different modules, they'll work, right? Example, the
Mhm.
scrum, meaning test team will be there, development will be there, production team will be there. That is the first part. The second part is, previously you need to have review session
Review.
means before the requirement comes, you need to review the project, how that requirement that BA will do, business analytics person will do. So there are ACs meaning like system engineering. They will give the requirement and they need to understand what is the exact requirement. Before they give, you need to attend some review sessions. So that's where you need to understand what are the required technologies need to use and how to implement. So each and every project's architecture will be there, and some projects they don't have architecture, but only like whoever having full knowledge, they will give the guidelines. And so you need to improve the flow, right? So before that, you need to understand the requirement first thing. So even you don't understand, please check with old members, like if you join in the very first day, so they give one requirement, you don't understand, you need to ask the team members to get the KT knowledge transfer sessions, so that you will understand. So the team member will play the important role here. Without their help, you cannot do anything. So that's how you need to continue with
Yeah.
the work. Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm really sorry that there is a technical glitch. That's why my like
It's fine.
yeah,
Okay.
that's fine. But I'm here only. I'm listening.
Yeah.
And sir, like how do you build trust and how do you recover if it get lost in a team? How would you
Right.
regain the trust? Like
Right.
if you do
Right.
some sort of a
Usually,
bad thing, yeah.
yes, correct. You need to have a not only daily basis call, like some teams will have a daily based calls with the team members to interact with the persons, right? For example, my lead will communicate each and every day, like daily basis, right? So that you will understand what's going on with that person. If I have only weekly basis once, he don't have, he will just give the delivery, he will give delivery to that work, like that particular task, and we don't know like what is going on the other side, right? So you need a daily basis calls will important. And the thing is like you need to we don't have to include in the personal life with them, but only the thing is like how much what are the deliverables we have. So for each iterations we need to deliver that, right? So
Yeah.
in order to that, what completion of work he did, we need to get the status of each and every person. That will help for what's going on. Yeah.
Okay. So we have to like in the simple words, we have to communicate with them in each and
Yes,
every
in the
yeah,
in the regular basis, in the
in a
regular
regular
basis.
basis.
Yes, yes.
And also like as I just mentioned in my email, like I am doing masters in international business in
Right,
Hult International Business School.
right.
So what is the habit you can recommend me which will help me in this course?
So whatever the course you are doing, right, you need to understand that how much importance that course will play going forward. What is your, like, for example, you want to settle in as a developer, as a business analyst, as a whatever the fields you want to be, the role will be there,
Mhm,
right? If you want
mhm.
to be like a developer, get the programming knowledge, at least one, right? So you need to
Okay.
get the knowledge and write down the sample programs and execute it, and choose learn, like, how to me some programs will be there to write the
Mhm.
sample programs, or learn the stuff, and get the subscription and do those certifications and those things, right? So get
Okay.
the cloud certificate. If you don't want to do as a developer, and if you want to see like BA, as I mentioned, BA means business analytics, right? You need to
Business analyst.
communication is very important for
Very
that.
important.
And then the
Okay.
scrum master also, the communication is important, and to mingle with everyone is important for scrum master.
Mhm.
And you need to fix the role, actually which stream I have to suitable for it, right?
Mhm.
Get that knowledge for that and improve that, choose, research that how
Yeah.
the developer need to, like, behave or something like that. What are the
Yeah.
struggles, what are the problems, and what are the solutions he is facing,
Yeah.
or those things. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's all, I guess, right?
Yeah, that's all. I'm done with the questions. And
Okay.
like it's been great to meet with you in the like Zoom meeting. It's been
All
pleasure
right.
of mine to get you in touch.
Thank you so much, yeah,
Yeah.
for taking my
Yeah.
inputs, and all the best for
Yeah.
you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye.